This is a project based in Pretoria called Steinmiller. Reg Laskey from Littlecreek Civils is the civil engineering contractor on this project. It's currently 105 meters long, varying at a height of 4 to 5 meters. It's a skin revetment structure. Normally the base width of a retaining wall, mass gravity Gabion wall, is about 55 to 60% of the height. This one is only 1.5 meters wide at the base, with the geotextile below and behind the wall. And in this particular job we have a smaller rock in the back part of the gabion and a larger rock in the front face to achieve a better density and to use a cheaper rock within the gabion, because the rock cost is normally about 35% of the cost of the gabion structure. They are achieving about 1.5 cubic meters per man per day on this project, and as you can see, the quality of the workmanship is quite excellent, very neat, and very nice vertical looking gabion wall. The wall has a stepped front face with a 1/2 meter wide step and is founded to approximately 10% of height, or about 500 millimeters, with the geotextile also going up the front face against the passive resistant soil in front of the toe of the structure. This wall is currently 2 meters high. The second layer of the gabion is laced gabion to gabion, vertically and horizontally along all salvage joins with the binding wire we supply, and it's laced down to the layer below it. The gabion is braced in 3 layers from the base to the top of the gabion to stop the gabion bulging in the front face. As you can see here, the nice flat front faced rock is used in the front face and achieves a very nice vertical flat front face. The front face of the gabion is also battered back at a 3-degree angle, so that the weight of the gabion is more into the soil and it doesn't look as though the gabion wall is leaning forward. The rock is being carried into position with a little bobcat carrying machine to transport the rock close to site and even put it inside the gabion. Then the manual labor puts the nice faced rock in the front face and packs it neatly so that there's very little voids. And then about 1/3 of the height, 330 mils high, we brace it from the front to the back mesh so that there's no bulges. 2/3 of the way up, about 660 mils from the base, we brace it again and we slightly overfill it by about 25 millimeters. For a 1/2 meter high gabion, we brace it 250 millimeters height. This is very important to stop any bulging and to keep the face from sagging over a period of time. As you can see, all the packing of rock is done by hand. It can be done with machine to speed it up, but obviously we're trying to encourage labor intensive methodologies. As you can see, we packing the gabion wall and then we lace it down, and then the geotextile has to go between the backfill material and the gabion to stop the soil washing through the gabion. The void ratio within the gabion is about 35% void, 65% solids. Thank you for watching.